There are loads more bedtime stories on BBC iPlayer. Just search CBeebies Bedtime Stories.
Oh, hello. I didn't see you there. Can you help me? I'm trying to spot my monster friend. Where? Are you sure? Ah, I didn't see you there, monster. How long have you been in the CBeebies house? Oh, I really need to pay more attention. One thing that always keeps my attention is a good story. And tonight's story is called Not Now, Bernard. It is written and illustrated by David McKee. But before I begin, you can watch more CBeebies bedtime stories from my friends on BBC iPlayer. Hello, Dad, said Bernard. Not now, Bernard, said his father. Hello, Mum, said Bernard. Not now, Bernard, said his mother. There's a monster in the garden, and it's going to eat me, said Bernard. Not now, Bernard, said his mother. Bernard went into the garden. Hello, monster, he said to the monster. The monster ate Bernard up. Every bit. Then the monster went indoors. Roar, went the monster behind Bernard's mother. Not now, Bernard, said Bernard's mother. The monster bit Bernard's father. Not now, Bernard, said Bernard's father. Your dinner's ready, said Bernard's mother. She put the dinner in front of the television. The monster ate the dinner. Then it watched the television. Then it read one of Bernard's comics. And broke one of his toys. Go to bed. I've taken up your milk, called Bernard's mother. The monster went upstairs. But I'm a monster, said the monster. Not now, Bernard, said Bernard's mother. Oh, I really like that story. Oh, poor Bernard. And poor monster too. You know what turns me into a monster? Not getting enough sleep. So I think it's time for me and my monster friend to go to bed. Not now, monster. I'll be back with another CBeebies bedtime story very soon. Good night. Psst. Grown-ups, are the kids asleep yet? And make sure you turn over to BBC One, the Red Nose Day, right now.
There are loads more bedtime stories on BBC iPlayer. Just search CBeebies Bedtime Stories.